Hey guys, make sure to stand till the end. You can make one common mistake that can cost you hundreds, even thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Toyota Corolla, that generation here from year 2013 to year 2019. If you guys have one of those, if you need to find where the remote control fuse is located, which fuse you need to check if your remote control doesn't work, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way do not waste money and time. Why it's important guys to always test fuses and relays, all that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. So before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to do engine work, transmission, mechanical, body work, anything you can think of practically. On this channel specifically, we'll be making at least 150 to 200 videos about that Toyota Corolla, that generation guys. If you have one of those, we'll be making a video for every single fuse, every single relay. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, your car does not want to start, you can, and you find out that the fuel pump is bad, you're not getting fuel, you can just search for fuel pump relay, fuel pump fuse really quickly, watch the video, spend a minute or two, replace it, you're back on the road, because the writings on the fuse boxes are very vague and most people will not even know what they mean. So we will be making videos about every possible fuse and relay in that Toyota Corolla. So let's start on it now. So the remote control guys fuse, where you can expect to find it, we will demonstrate on this generation Toyota Corolla guys right here. You, by the way guys, have multiple fuse boxes. Today we will be working just one that's right under the hood. So if you open the hood on your Toyota Corolla guys, facing the engine on the right side under this cover, you will find that you have a fuse box under that cover. Open it, and once you do that guys, okay, you're going to find that you have a fuse box with a layout that will look like this one here, or really close one. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. Here for the remote control we need to check just one fuse, or let's zoom in a little bit. Oh, by the way guys, if you need to buy any fuses, relays, parts, tools, replacement remote controls at a good price, quick shipping for Toyota Corolla or any car practically, we will put the link in the description of the video below, that way you do not waste your money and time. Now what we need to check, if you come in that second row of fuses here, the very first fuse guys on the top right here, it's known as fuse number 17. This is for multiple things, but one of the functions is for the remote control. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Hopefully the video was helpful and see you next time.